Now, good morning, yo. Happy New Year. And sorrow na all my family then. The nice family and the bad family. Happy New Year for all now. Today na second of January. We pass the year good and happiness and successful. But something that could really repeat am. Something that could tell you now. This year we will finish 2021, we went out 2022. For EU country, no be abroad for EU. I with the EU na Cyprus. I be Cyprus journalist. The year end fine, but it bikini, it start good. But the bikini, oh, wait till just second, till second, it start very good, perfect. For me, maybe for other they not start well. I don't know because all man get problem. But more okay, they probably try for one side, concentrate for the life. Because now God the gear as God the taker. God the bless all man for your own time, for your own day. They need the first destiny for life. I will be very happy for great one now. So happy New Year once more again. For the 2nd of January 2022, I did make my video. The necessary journalists talk, the way talk good and bad. But my talk will always be to say it bad. The advice and the advice people there. I will know very well to Obanje the talk. Anyway, stuff for nothing. People they don't like true talk, they like bitter talk. When you talk true, people they diverse. When you talk sweet talk, they happy. But my talk not always true talk. For people there, for all of us, including me, and you learn every day. No man not perfect. I will take God need the back every day. This new year, 2021, it finish. Any man get bad mind, bad heart, make sure for down. Sometimes it be so year the end, or they say no, I want to do this thing, I want to do this thing. Any man they plan, it always fine for you make plan. Take your pen and paper while you plan them. I get bad fashion, man reduce some, man try to be people there for my corner. But me journalist, I don't need people there for my corner. Because me myself and God, my people they that. I don't need no man for my corner to get bad heart mind. When a mind not clean, when a mind get talabus, the talabus the inside. Now only when I know. God no even know that one self. When I Satan, when I know. So until they go talk, I didn't ask for side for this side post what could tell you now. They say not balance. We human being will not balance. Now we not balance. Name that this life not balance. Now we will not balance. We too wicked. We offer wicked. To too black there for this side post wicked. To too we black for this EU wicked. When I know what me ma advance. When I become answer sir. All level now. Me person not go up. Me wanna be a level up. It's not fair. But this 2022 now, God could bless all my way pass Sonia Ikona. I be Obanjo. The Obanjo means I be mami water picking, beg. I be Obanje. Most people you want me because I did frappe the truth for them. Did you see any my talk? Did you want that girl? Na problem girl. Sonia, I be problem girl. Now because you talk the true talk. If you build your house, you get your money. Now for you and your family. Not be for no man. You not go help no man. When I get in store frappe, put their money. When you show big, say because I get house and I get big motor, and I get passport, and I take underground people there. It not be fair. It not be fair. When I go for outside, when I grand fair there for this side post. For the EU country. When I proud to go there. When I proud that yo they come yesterday. That penguin, that sister there when they come yesterday. They enter yesterday for EU country. When I'm not proud to all there for these cycles. Wetin wrong with una? Una dey plan for wetin? Una no even help each other. Una will take that thing they keep up on a heart, una will sit die with her. God will see the punish una. Once you get something, they say share, help others. Help others. God to go bless you more and more. No help, go talk. If you want help, better you help now. You talk, but your help with a good heart. But no keep proud for nothing. Not too proud for nothing. All na so na penguin there is salabe all. All na so na the new people okay do die like shit for una back. But who will in know una? Need give that space una. Person will ask you simple number for doctor. You know if you get your tongue to know my privacy. When I want you to put their life. When I want you to put their talk. Person will ask you a simple number for lawyer. You know if you get but number lawyer you give number, he say share with your friends, share with others. When I if you get when I want to put their privacy life before I help them. After a year, or you should be gossip for outside, but you not help them. You're going to make more say that me help this man. No man might help me, but they make my video, make other they learn. Maybe for me. Because I know some help you come out. My help you come out for the pen when I be penguin on yourself. Shrine the all. Now what is this? You even get a problem with your woman or your friend. You expect for one people there. For go see better people there. Their own people there, they close time you will tell you. Well, if you tell them, they give you advice, they talk one or two things. If you go talk to people, they trust them. When people you trust them, now they can say for outside. My brother and sister, friend no day again. Friend no day again. At all. You know they and I keep don't quiet. We're gonna too bad for the country over. Swine the all, beef the all. When I decrease, when I decrease, when I hate, small number of person will answer for una for giam. When I did turn, when I want to chop with their money, man go buy motor, don't get driving license. When I want to put your name for the person, he will pay you. Man go ask you simple number for doctor for lawyer. You go to turn, all you na open when I do step when I respond myself. When I live in a person, I get motor, I get house. You get house and motor for your family and money for your family. You feel not much from the country. You got to go when I decrease on it. When I told you people, woman will come, I don't get big brother for una canas. When I keep explain myself, I used to like build a big brother them. When I build a woman will come, I don't get big brother, and I can't keep focus for a year. Tell a woman they all take different man because they say they canas so down. When I did surprise say by lock boy them. When I said you toss this and this, you want be a woman or Cameroon. Forget say they will follow white woman. Control your woman, you'll be a Cameroon. Vive with ye, enjoy with ye. Enjoy with ye. You don't know one grab outside you one. Destroy one, take one. You want to follow white girl, you want to follow black girl. All you want to take an output and you one. You release one too, maybe they enjoy from outside. When I will be with a woman or Cameroon, I don't know how to share with them. Tell different man say now woman they love man pikin. Woman they get man pikin. And over here you say that say they all take my girlfriend or they all do so. When I keep share una problem when I keep share una wahala. When I be woman, when I keep my woman, when I attach all thing only for una. When I chop all thing una. When I release two people that two they enjoy too. You will be so guessing the way we stand, you might be doing nothing self. You show my past that one. I told everybody with this type of say, yeah. When I respect myself, when I all this son I like person, I don't like problem. When I you talk true tongue, I invest with me. I get money, I get motor, I get house, I get passport. When you chop the hour, when you chop that good heart, share with others, God will bless you. I want ask number for lawyer for two people there for the country. They want know my problem before they give me. When I the question I hate. When person give number, lawyer or doctor, he give number. If you say your friend, your brother need help, you go give you. When I the control number for waiting, now you got the punish you. Now anytime that una motor, passport, house. When I get problem, pass we so now we get nothing safe. When I get problem every day and night, we will say we never get nothing. When I get all thing, I want grab all thing, but I still get problem every day and night. Every day and night, I still get on our wahala. That one I wish when I stop at me. When I stop that one I wish, I call my video before I want continue the round 2. When I stop that one I wish. When I hold all means, when I go hold me, when I see come off my terrain. When I see come off my terrain. Wicked people they are. When I be proud to one, and I proud of family for day. We know we have family for year. You simple can't say you get, you chop all put your money, chop boys and money. Say you make my boy there. You don't take boy and money all take them. If you have pay and never insure person, you see take money, this and this. Wicked people they wish where they are. Say I get you who when you get for your family. If you're not man. If you have a boy, you see boy, I'll see give you back. You help now who? Now help now who? Who now help? Shrine the uncle like they all beef them. Now you proud for nothing. And they make noise for nothing. That's how when I did the all will commit to that side. God could bless all man for 2022. All man. God could bless all man for your own way, for your own time, for your own day. They did the first destiny for life. As now if you open a friend, they say no, that they better hold this. One man go ask you help. You need to help the person. You get the person, the man ask me help, the man ask me help. Wickedness they all. And they make video again and wait. That video they come. The one I will give now warning first. This second, this today Sunday. Now will give now warning. My next video they can begin. Swine them.